Hello, friends! This time we'll talk about bird watching as an ecotourism product. There was a time when Filipinos knew only two kinds of birds, no? Yung manok at saka kalapate. Pero would you believe that in terms of bird watching as a tourism or ecotourism product, we have more than 700 species of birds found in the Philippines, and more than 200 of them are endemic or found only in the Philippines and not in any other country. Now, ano ang potential ng bird watching sa Philippines? Now, let's talk about the market. Although the Filipinos barely know about birds, pero unti-unti naman na nagkakaroon ng awareness na dumadami na yung bird watching clubs, mga local, paunti-unti yan pero nakikita ka nagkakaroon ng parang movement. Pero in terms of international market, try to imagine Hong Kong, Taiwan, the US, Singapore, those countries would have an average of about 300 birdwatching clubs. One birdwatching club in the US or in the UK, would have more than 1 million members. So we're looking at that market na pag sinabi mong the Philippines has 700 species of birds, more than 200 of them are endemic, literally tutulo ang laway ng mga yan. Dahil bird watchers, kakaibang nilalang yung mga yan. I'm a bird watcher myself, no? Kaya alam ko yung takbo ng utak ng bird watchers na pag sinabi mong may particular species na dito lang makita or doon lang makita, grabe yung interest na ma-generate na makita yung particular species. Ayun, lalo pa kung tinatawag na rare or endangered or basically halos wala pa nakakita.